continuation with the health and diseases. Our second lecture it is there. Today we will see the diseases which are spreading, diseases, non-infectious diseases. We seen the infectious diseases, and today we will see the non-infectious diseases. So what is non-infectious diseases? The diseases here which do not occur through, what they told you, the diseases which do not occur through infections, okay, do not occur through infection. Body contacts is called as, or by body contact it is called as a non-infectious diseases. What is the definition of infectious diseases? Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contact is called as a non-infectious diseases. Such a diseases arises in human body itself due to some reasons. Okay, so there are some reasons. Due to this, what happens? These diseases we are facing. Now, first disease is the cancer. Okay, you see the cancer picture. Cancer inside. What happens? The cancer shows the crab's picture. Okay, how it, once it catches you, it do not leave the catches. Then what happens? Crab do not leave you. In that way, the cancer is disease. It is uncontrolled and we cannot control it. And once it catches to you, when you are suffering from the cancer, what happens? If it is on first stage, you can increase your lifespan. But what happens? Most of the time, cancer is incurable disease. Okay, and what happens? What is cancer? Uncontrolled abnormal cell growth is called as a cancer. Uncontrolled abnormal cell growth is called as a cancer. This is the definition of cancer. You just learn it. Now what is the cancer? Its explanation given here. Group or lump of cancerous cell is added as a malignant tumor. Okay, what happens at one places? It may be your brain, it may be your chest, it may be your liver, stomach. What happens? There is uncontrolled growth of cells takes place. And what is it form a malignant tumor. It forms a tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs. Okay, which organs are those? Lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin cancer, tissue. And in this way what happens? It is spreading throughout our body. Once you get the cancer, it is we can identify it first stage, then only we can increase our lifespan. But if you detect it at third stage or second stage, it becomes fatal. The patient, there are 99% possibilities are there, the patient will die. Okay, so we will see what are the reasons of this cancer, how the cancer spreads. If the person is consuming tobacco, means person have a habit of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, those people who are taking drinks, okay, drinks, those called as alcoholisms. Okay, lack of fiber content in our fruits and in our food. Okay, what I told you, lack of fiber content. Some students are there in our class also, they doesn't like to eat leafy vegetable like spinach, methi. Okay, then these things are very important. Fruits also we have to eat regularly, vegetables we have to include in our diet. And what happens if we are not eating? That is also the reason that we are getting the cancer. Okay, so excessive consumption of the junk food. Which junk food is there? Pizza, burger, vada pav, samosa, kachori. These things are there, no? That we are eating. It is very tasty. We feel that when we will eat, when we are just passing from the shop of a vada pav, otherwise what happens? Smell comes. Then what happens? We feel very hungry. Our mouth, what happens? Waters, and these things are there. So we like it, and when we eat it in a very large amount continuously, then what happens? There are 100% possibilities are there, the person will get the cancer. Okay, we have to avoid to eat the pizza, burger, vada pav, samosa. These types of things are some of the many possible reasons. Okay, heredity may also be a reason. Heredity means what happens in our family. Suppose grandfather, grandmother, otherwise father, mother, they have the cancer, they suffering from the cancer, then there are the possibilities that person, the new young generation also get the cancer. So to protect yourself from this, what happens? From this cancer, we should not eat tobacco, gutka, and we should not smoke. Alcoholism, should not drink that drink. Lack of fiber, we have to include the fibrous food in our diet. And what happens due to these reasons? And avoid eating most junk food. Don't eat. Okay, if you like to eat these things, you tell your mother, let her prepare at home and then you eat. Okay, and otherwise you will suffering from the cancer. Okay, so what are the chronic symptoms of this cancer? The chronic cough. Chronic cough means you people are, what happens? Too much coughing, then harsh voice, your voice is changing, difficulty in swallowing. Okay, whenever eating, that time happen, we engulf or we swallow the food, that time what happens? The throat pain, or there is a difficulty inside it. You see that if the person is eating too much gutka, otherwise that having no star gutka and all, then what happens? The size, the mouth opening space becomes less. Okay, it becomes smaller and smaller, and so what happens? If the person is not able to put the morsel of a food in his mouth also, so it is very dangerous. Next, incurable scars. Scars and inflammation are forms on the body, and it is incurable. It is incurable. Lumps in the breast inside, what happens? Lumps are formed. And unexplained weight loss, and weight loss is also the reason, and due to this what happens? These are the symptoms of the cancer. So chronic cough, harsh voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scars and inflammation. Scars and inflammation means marks on the body. Lumps in the breast inside, what happens? We see the lumps. And unexplained weight loss. These are the symptoms of this cancer. Okay, now what we will do? We will move towards this side. Here, see this picture. You see this person, he is eating. If you see this person is eating too much. If you see this, you feel like vomiting. It is very dirty, it is looking actually. Yes, no? But this is formed because when if you eat too much tobacco, otherwise if you eat the gutka, then what happens? This type of, it is a mouth cancer, and it forms due to the eating of gutka, tobacco. So you just stay away from this all tobacco and gutka, alcoholism. You include the fibrous food in your diet, and also you just avoid eating junk food, otherwise you will also suffering from this. It is very, and some people are saying it is better to die than the treatment of cancer. Cancer treatment is also, what happens? It is also a very, actually it is not dangerous, but it is, what happens? It gives the paining treatment is there. So you have to be careful about this. If you see this, you feel very dirty. Now we will see controlled diet helps. What they told you, controlled diet helps to prevent some type of cancers. Physical exercise, we have to exercise daily. With modern treatment is more beneficial to cure the cancer. Avoid addiction, that is very important, especially boys. Whenever they are moving in their friend circle, what happens? If the friend has a habit, your friend, when you will be young, you will move with you. When you will roaming in the society, moving in the society, you will get the different kinds of friend. And if these friends have the addictions like tobacco, chewing, smoking, so they also try to, what happens? They are telling nothing will happen, you just take this, eat this, then you just stay away from this all. Okay, now we will see the modern diagnostic treatment for the on this treatment of cancer. Various techniques like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy are used for the diagnostics of the cancer. These are the techniques used for the diagnosis. Do you have the cancer or not? For that purpose, these techniques they are using. In case of treatment, along with the conventional methods like chemotherapy, chemotherapy or radiation therapy, surgery, or modern techniques are like robotics, laparoscopy surgery are as follow for the treatment. So for detection, they are using CT scan, MRI, mammography, biopsy, etc. And for the treatment, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgery, these types of modern techniques like robotics and laparoscopy surgery are followed. Okay, so this is about the cancer. Actually, it is very dangerous disease. If you see the picture, you feel what? It is very dirty. Okay, what they told you. Discuss the control of cancer. Discuss the control of cancer and prepare the poster of displaying what they told you, prepare that poster of displaying in the classroom. Okay, you know that the cancer is incurable disease. Keep in your mind. Okay, so we have to be stay away from this all type of addiction. We have to improve our diet. Okay, we have to do the exercise, then we will just stay away from this cancer. Now after cancer, see here, we will see the diabetes. Okay, so see here, do you remember any person drinking sugar free tea, avoiding consumption of sweets? There may be possible reason. In our home, our grandparents are there, so what happens, they are not taking they are not eating the tea with sugar. Okay, so they are using the sugar free tea, or they are using the tablets for it. Why they are eating? What you are thinking? So they are facing the problem of diabetes. Which problem they are facing? The problem is diabetes. What is diabetes? The hormone insulin produced in the pancreas. In our body, digestive system inside pancreas are there. These pancreas, what happens? They are secreting the hormone, and that hormone, secreting hormone, which hormone is that? That is the insulin. Okay, so control the level of sugar. So this insulin is there. What is its function? To control the level of sugar, glucose in our blood. This insulin secreted in low quantity. If it secrete low quantity, the glucose level cannot be controlled. So what is the function of insulin? I told you, to control the sugar level of our body. But what happens? The insulin secretion will stop in our body. Whatever we are eating, inside it sugar is present. It may be what? Jawar, bajri, rice, any kind of these things inside. Starch is present. Starch is nothing but glucose, and its formula is the C6H12O. Its formula is the what? C6H12O6. This is the formula. Okay, this kinds of sugar is present in that, and what happens? This sugar remains as it is in the blood, and due to this, what happens? The person is facing the problem of diabetes. Okay, what are the symptoms of this diabetes? Symptoms which cannot be ignored: frequently urination at night. Okay, at night what happens? Frequent get urination, means that control on the urinary system that person loses. Okay, next, increased obesity or weight loss, means urination is also, and sometimes what the person becomes fat, or it is losing his weight. Reason of diabetes: it may be heredity, means your grandparents, your parents have the diabetes, you are also there are much possibilities that you people also get the what? Diabetes. Obesity, fatness is also what happens. Due to fatness also the diabetes, the person can get the diabetes. Lack of physical exercise, if he is not doing the physical exercise, and mental stress is there, that is also the reason. Not only this, the mental stress is there, the person is always remaining the tension, then that person, there are most possibilities that the person will get the diabetes. So what are the preventive measures? The preventive measures are, see here, following are the proper diet. We have to take proper diet, medicines, exercise we have to do under the supervision of doctor, and what happens? Due to these activities, what happens? We can control this diabetes. Okay, now after diabetes, which diseases we are looking now? Just non-infectious diseases. Cancer, diabetes is heart diseases. These are the non-infectious diseases. Do you know? What do you know they gave? India has largest number of diabetes patients. In our India, large number of diabetes patients are there in all over the world. At present, approximately 7 crores diabetic patients are present in our country. How much? 7 crore people, they are suffering by diabetes in our India. That is, internet is my friend. Just what I told you, watch the various videos giving information about the diabetes, internet, and what we have to use the MS PowerPoint, and we have to make a presentation of it. Now we will see the next part, that is the heart diseases. Okay, which diseases? Heart diseases. See here. So heart diseases. Efficiency of the heart decreases. What happens? The efficiency of heart decreases, and decreased blood supply, and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles, what happens? Becomes less, and and due to this, what happens? Heart has performed more work. So due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads, what they told you, that leads to stress on it, and this may cause the heart attack. What is the reason they told you? I am going to read it again. Efficiency of heart decreases. What happens? Heart's efficiency decreases. If heart diseases efficiency decreases, due to this what happens? Blood supply decreases and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Means for the heart the oxygen and nutrient supply becomes less, and due to this what happens? Heart has to perform more work to get more oxygen, more nutrients. Heart what happens? It tries to do the more and more work, and due to this what happens? The stress is coming on the heart and it causes heart attack. If someone has a heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor treatment is necessary, otherwise person may die. Okay, always remember, we will see, and then we will move towards the symptoms of it. Each disease has the specific scientific reasons. Each disease has specific scientific reason, and disease do not occur due to divine or curse. We are thinking in old or in the Adivasi peoples, what they are doing is, if a person get a temperature even, otherwise coughing, or some chronic diseases he is suffering by chronic diseases, then what happens? They are thinking it is a curse of a god, it is a curse or divine curse, or it is a curse of a god. So they are doing? They are saying numbers and all to the god, and that what happens? In that process what happens? The person may die, or hiding up anyone. Disease can be cured by the proper medical treatment and not by chanting mantras and performing magic tricks. Anyone, if you say mantra is on you and your disease will cure, this will not happen. Okay, and it was not happens, and it will not happen future also. So you have to be careful when you are facing the diseases. You have to visit doctor, not any person who is using the black magic, otherwise to god you are saying god something. So you have to be careful, okay, about it. Now one should not ignore these symptoms. Which symptoms are there? Severe chest pain, our chest is paining, pain in shoulder, neck and arm, pain in necks and arms, cramps in hand, uneasiness and tremors. These are the symptoms, and due to this what happens? These are the symptoms of heart attack, and due to this what happens? The person is suffering, person will get heart attack. The reasons of heart attack, which are the reasons we will see? So reasons are the first, the reasons are smoking. This here, cancer is also get because of smoking, alcoholism, or eating gutka, tobacco products. These, okay. So here also the heart attack is caused due to the smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension. This is also obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, and the anxiety. These are the reasons. Due to this what happens? The person will get the heart attack. Smoking, you avoid smoking, avoid alcoholism. Diabetes means if you have the diabetes, the disease, then also it is more possibilities you get the heart attack. So protect yourself from this also. Do regular exercise, avoid hypertension, don't take any kind of tension. Every problem has a solution. Every problem has a solution. So don't take tension about it. And then what happens? And obesity, if you have obesity, you do the exercise regularly. Lack of physical exercise, then what happens? The obesity will reduce, and you will just move away from this heart attack. Heredity, if your parents or grandparents have this heart attack, then it is more possibilities that you will also get the heredity. You just avoid these things which is told here, then you will be free from heart attack. Mental stress, don't take mental stress. Anger, always don't say anxiety and anger, means feeling uncomfortable. This is called as anxiety. Now heart diseases, okay. So heart diseases, how? Angioplasty, the treatment about it given here. So angioplasty is a bypass surgery, one heart surgery, heart transplant, installation of stent, and installation of pacemaker are the what happens? Treatment provided for this heart disease. First aid for heart disease. Which is the first aid for the heart diseases? The first aid for the heart disease is the what? You first call 108 for ambulance. 108 means 108, 108 is the number of ambulance. You just, if the person is facing some heart related problem, you just immediately call 108 and call the ambulance. Okay. Check consciousness of the patient by shaking shoulders. By shaking shoulders, keep the patient lying on his back in horizontal position. Lay down, okay, and just horizontal position, let him just stay. And what happens? Hard surface, on hard surface, perform compression only, life process support. Means compression only, life support means we have to give COLS, and its video I will show you on my next lecture. In this, press the center of the thorax, means here on our thorax. I will now watch this video for the first aid for the heart attack. Now we saw the first aid for heart disease. In this way, we have to take care of the person who is suffering from heart disease. What happens, and due to this, what happens, we can save the one's life. Okay. In this process, center of thorax for at least 30 minutes at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. We have to compress his thorax. Okay. So we can save the person's life. Okay. After this, we will see after this next part of the lesson we will see on our next lecture, and today we will stop here only. So today we seen the diseases spreading by which are non-infectious disease like cancer, diabetes and the heart attack. Okay, thank you.